Hi kids, today we want to talk about grammar. I really like to write, so I need to have good grammar. Let's begin. Alright kids, let's study simple past.
Okay, kids, these are the verbs and objects that we will use in the simple past book. I've colored the verbs pink and I've colored the objects orange. We also have the places. 1. To raise one's hand. Raise, raised, raised. Place, in the classroom. 2. To ask a question. To ask questions. Ask, asked, asked. Place, in first period. 3. To answer a question. To answer questions. Answer, answered, answered. Place, in second period. 4. To hand in one's homework. Hand, handed, handed. Place, in third period. 5. To correct one's mistakes. Correct, corrected, corrected. Place, in fourth period. 6. To erase one's mistakes cleanly. Erase, erased, erased. Cleanly is an adverb describing erase. Place, in homeroom class. 7. To write one's test paper. To write one's test papers. Write, wrote, written. Place, in the computer lab. In the computer lab. 8. To take a quiz. To take quizzes. Take, took, taken. Place, in social studies class. 9. To do a book report. To do book reports. Do, did, done. Place, in the library. In the library. 10. To read chapter 1. Read, read, read. Place, in literature class. In literature class. 11. To pay attention. Pay, paid, paid. Place, in language arts class. In language arts class. 12. To cooperate in designing a project. To cooperate in designing a project. Cooperate, cooperated, cooperated. 13. To make a science project. To make science projects. Make, made, made. Place, in science lab. 14. To follow the rules. Follow, followed, followed. Place, in study hall. 15. To buy lunch. Buy, bought, bought. Place, in the cafeteria. 16. To respect one's classmates. Respect, respected, respected. Place, in PE class. 17. to pass out papers. Pass, passed, passed. Place, in Mandarin class. 18. To see the principal. See, saw, seen. Place, in the principal's office. 19. To get permission from somebody. Get, got, gotten. Place, in somebody's reading circle. 20. To review one's notes. Review, reviewed, reviewed. Place, in somebody's study group. Okay, kids, I'm going to read some very basic sentences. In English, the basic sentence is subject, verb, object. For each of these sentences, I have colored the verb pink. The subject I have colored yellow. The object I have colored orange. So let's listen as I read. All right, number 1. I raised my hand in the classroom yesterday. 2. You asked a question in first period yesterday. 3. He answered a question in second period. 4. She handed in her homework in third period. 5. It corrected its mistake in fourth period yesterday. 6. You erased your mistakes cleanly yesterday. 7. They wrote their test papers yesterday. 8. We took quizzes in social studies class yesterday. 9. Mr. White did a book report in the library. 10. Mrs. White read chapter 1 yesterday. 11. Ms. White paid attention in language arts class. 12. A child cooperated in designing a project yesterday. 13. The children made science projects yesterday. 14. The woman followed the rules in study hall. 15. The women bought lunch in the cafeteria yesterday. Number 16. The man respected his classmates yesterday. 17. The men passed out papers in Mandarin class yesterday. 18. Sam and I saw the principal yesterday. 19. You and Sam got permission from Dad yesterday. 20. The boys and girls reviewed their notes yesterday. Very good. So you can see all the sentences are subject, verb, object. Very good. Okay, kids. Thank you for watching this video. Now I need you to do a big favor for me. I want you to like this video. And I want you to leave a comment for me. I want you to write,
"Thank you, Mr. Radisha," and then leave your English name. Really appreciate it. Thanks.